Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and from the video title or the thumbnail you already know what we're gonna talk about today. So today we're gonna talk about temporary mails. You may ask, Mehul, why another temporary mailing service? There are a lots of in the internet already, but why this one? This one is unique because this one have no ads. This one give you premium features for free. That's why this one. We're gonna get straight into it, but before that, let me just tell you what is temporary email id before diving into the subject. So temporary email id is like when you don't want to give a website your own email id, or for any reason, maybe you want to stay anonymous, or maybe you don't believe, like, trust that website, or whatever it may be, but you want to use email id. So what we will do, you will use such services called temporary mail id to give the mail id to that website. So let's get straight into this website, and let me show you all of the features that it have that separate it from every other mailing service that are already available. So let's get into it. Here is our today's website, temp-mail. Like, again, why, literally why? There are literally thousands of mailing websites named temp-mail. Why they have used the same name again, I really don't know, but whatever, their service is good, so let's see it. So here in the temp-mail, you will simply click on open a new inbox. It will generate an inbox for you. Here you can copy the mail id, refresh the mail id to see if there is something in your mailing box or not, and create a new mail id as well. And from here you can destroy this address, set a password, and clear inbox as well. As you can see there, their UI looks so soothing, so clean. There is no ads, nothing else, and so I am just fond of this website so much. Like, so what, like, designs are really great. So now let's talk about the pro features that they are providing for free. That is this thing, like set password. So you can set password for your temporary mail id, whatever you want, and you can create it just like it, like, you don't have to do anything. And rather than that, you can also log in with your email id. That's another great thing about it. Like, yes, do you don't have a private email id, get one. So yeah, they will generate it for you and you will get it. So here you don't have to give out your email id. Instead, you will get one for free. So how much great is that, right? Like, how it's work then? So simply you will create an email id, set a password, set your own password, and that's it. Now remember this mail id and password for yourself, because as it is not connected to any of your gmail ids or any of your private email ids, you're not gonna recover, like, not gonna get recover it. Like, there is no way to recover it if you forget the password or the mail id. So keep that in mind before opting into it. They don't have too many domains, so that is one thing that would help you to remember it. But please remember the password, because otherwise you can't blame them. Okay, they are providing a great service, they are doing a great thing. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna using it for sure, and I will use it for a tons of thing for sure. So I'm loving it. I don't know about you, but I'm loving it. So, to be honest, so that's it for this video. If you know about some of the great websites like this that will make your life so much easier, or maybe some web apps, APIs, open source projects, design elements, startups, anything about startups, anything. Please let me know about anything that you can find on the internet, so I can feature them in my future videos. So then let me know about all of them in the comments. Okay. And rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel, please, because subscribing supports a lot. So that's it. Bye for now.